Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this problem on bearing, and it's one of the past questions of UTME. Alright, the bearing of A from B is 135 degrees. Find the bearing of B from A, and the options are A, B, C, D. Without wasting time, solution, all you need to do is just do your sketch of the four cardinal points. We have east, west, and north and south. All right. Now, underline this A from B. The bearing of A from B, so from B, all right, is 135 degrees. Now, each of these quadrant here is 90, 90, 180, 90, 270, and 90, 360. All right, so now let us determine the bearing of B from A. So now let us do a sketch to represent a bearing of 135 degrees. So from here to a point here, okay? Now we draw a straight line and then we stop and make another cardinal point here. We call this point A, all right? Now, we are told that the bearing of A from B is 135 degrees. Remember, from here to here is 90. So, and 135 minus 90 is 45 degrees. It means, there is a little encroachment into the second quadrant, all right? So, and that encroachment has been found to be 45 degrees, all right? So now the bearing of B from A, remember, here is A, again here is E, that is E for east, W for west, and N for north, and S for south. So now let's determine the bearing of B from A. So from here to here, and then it terminates on this straight line, okay? Now, here is 90, here is 90, and here is 90, and then there is this encroachment into the last quadrant, that is 360. Now, let me remind you, of course, in our primary geometry, when a straight line cuts across two parallel lines, angles are formed. Corresponding angles are equal. This angle corresponds to this, and as you can see, this angle here is alternate to this, and they are equal. So we say that alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Now, do you agree with me that this angle here, which is 45 degrees, is alternate? It's a Z angle. If you look at this shape, Z angle, okay? So this angle is alternate to this, all right? So having found that from here to here, okay, 90 plus 90 plus 90 and then plus 45, okay? Now 90 plus 90 plus 90 is 270 plus 45. So that will give us 315 degrees. And that is the bearing of B from A. This is point B, this is point A. And looking at the options, option C is correct. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye.